Hi there, stallions. I hope you're ready for another few minutes of mindfulness. Go ahead and get yourself into a comfortable position. And for the next few minutes, I want you just to focus on the sound of my voice. If your mind wanders, that's okay. Just go ahead and bring your focus back to my words. Now, let's see what today's mindfulness practice is. Today, we're going to imagine that we are birds. Before we begin, close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. As you continue breathing, try to imagine yourself as a bird. What do you look like? What color are you? Do you have any special markings? Now try to imagine that you're flying. What does it feel like? Try to notice how the air feels on your face and on your wings. What can you see from where you're flying? Can you see buildings? Trees? Can you see the ground beneath you? Try to really focus on what each thing looks like. What feelings do you have as you fly? Try to notice each of your emotions and focus on how they feel. When you're finished, take a deep breath in through your nose, feel your chest and belly rise, and blow out through your mouth, and slowly open your eyes. That's it for today. I hope you stay healthy, helpful, and calm.